Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to do a video on how to paint tow hooks on your truck. I'm going to paint the tow hooks on my truck. They were black when they came from the factory. I'm going to paint them tractor red. It's machine and implement rust stop protective enamel red. Got it at Ace Hardware. It's a pretty simple process. Let me show you how I do it. So first step in the process is we're going to prep the hooks. I'm going to lightly sand them to clean them up. If there was rust on it, you'd want to get the rust off and prime it. These are brand new. I'm just going to lightly scuff it. I'm just going to paint the hook. I'm not going to paint the frame or anything around it. So just going to kind of, this is 220 paint, sandpaper. I want to get from the line of the hook all the way around. In New England, we get a lot of road salt, so I want to make sure I get good adhesion of my paint. Get under here a little bit. After that, I'm just going to use a little acetone and a rag, and I'm just going to clean off the metal. I'm cleaning the surrounding area because I'm going to put some masking tape on it and I want it to stick. Okay, my next step is I'm just going to use some painter's tape and I'm going to tape around the hook. It's kind of a redundant layer, and then plastic over it. Go right up to the edge there. I'm just going to put tape all the way around all four sides. I like this redundant layer because if any paint gets through the plastic, hopefully the paint will define the lines I want to paint. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. I've got this masked off right here, and I've just masked off the hook itself. So I'm just going to paint this section that we're showing. I just used 1 mil plastic for this. Start up here just to get it to drape for me. All right, now I'm going to wrap the tape underneath because I'm going to be spraying up a little bit. I want to make sure I have good coverage. Trying to push this plastic all the way back. I'm going to make a very small splice where the hook is, right here, in the plastic. Maybe like, I don't know, 2 inches. And then I'm going to just press that through and make it stretch over the hook. And to hold it, I'm going to tape that in place. So that's a little bit of a, probably need to lay down to do this so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's see if I can do this through the middle first. Might be better. Problem is things stick to each other at this point. Okay, so that goes like that. Trying to push this plastic all the way back. By making a small slit, it kind of stays in place a little bit. This has got to be pushed in a wee bit, and I'm going to try to see if I can do that with the tape. Hopefully I can. Right here, I want to push that in. Good. Tape kind of holds shape too, which is good. It keeps it pushed back. So it's about as far back as I want to paint anyway. You can't see up here from the street. All right, everything is prepped. I lightly scuffed the hooks. I cleaned it with acetone. I have taped everything off. The problem with this tape is that the truck is a little bit dirty, sometimes comes off, and I'm getting ready to paint it. If these were old hooks, you'd want to sand the rust off. maybe do a rusty metal primer first and then paint. But these are brand new hooks. I just need to scuff the paint up a bit. I'm going to try to stay about 6 or 8 inches away from the hook, and I'm just going to go sweeping back and forth. I'm not going to spray too much too long because then it'll drip. I'm going to try to avoid drips. I am not a professional painter. All right, here we go. All right, so the hard part's done. We prepped it, we sanded, draped it, and first coat painted it. I'm gonna probably let it sit for 2, 3, or 4 hours, depending. I'm gonna check it for tackiness. I wanna let it dry for pretty good. If I could let it wait a day, I would, but I can't do that. So probably go 2 to 4 hours, let it dry. I'm gonna coat it again. I'm gonna leave the masking tape on for at least 2 or 4 more hours, and then I'll take the masking tape and plastic off. Well, as you can see, we did the back hooks too, and I think they came out great. I did these yesterday, so I did one side yesterday, one side today. Look, simple, easy way to do it yourself. I could take this to an auto body store and they'd probably charge me $2 grand or something, who knows, and I'd lose my truck for the day. So I decided to do it myself. For an $8 can of spray paint and sandpaper and acetone and rags that I already owned, plastic and some blue or pink tape, you can do this. And, all in, probably the project takes 3 hours, but then there's all that waiting time in between. So pretty easy to do, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Take care.